Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video we are going to discuss about an important AI tool which is developing now, and especially it is developed for writing. So you can also use this AI tool as a chatbot, and you can have different options for writing also. So let us go on to today's video and explore how that AI tool will be very useful for our academic writing. So before that, we are going to make an important announcement that we are conducting online workshop on supercharge your research papers conference and journal paper writing with ChatGPT and AI toolbox. So this workshop will brings out an hour about how to write journal and research papers using this ChatGPT and different AI tools. So what are the special AI tools for different that is different part of your research papers? For literature survey, what are the different AI tools? For finding a better reference paper, what is the AI tool? Then how to make different technical contents, and how to make introduction part of your research paper easily using AI tool, and precise AI tool for abstract and conclusion writing in your research paper. So these are the important things we are going to see, and also we are going to see how to reduce plagiarism when it is directed as a AI written content. So like that, the important things for your research article preparation we will going to discuss in this online workshop. Don't forget to attend our online workshop on supercharge your research papers. So see you on workshop. So let us go on to today's video. So the AI tool what we are going to discuss today is that Krater. So you can see this is a Krater AI. So our all-in-one super app unlocks the power of artificial intelligence technology, enabling everything. So what you have to do is you have to click on this Krater AI. So you have to create an account in Krater AI. Then you can log in with your Gmail ID and the password you have created. So after that, you will be getting a dashboard like this here. So this is the dashboard of your Krater AI. So you can see the different options here. First one is copywriting. So let AI write anything you need from ads to blog post. Next, chat with AI. So this is the one where you can use this as a chatbot, and you can give your prompt and you can generate whatever the content you want. Next, this one is image generation. Next one is text to voice. Next, advanced speech to text. Next, code creator. Next, AI content director. Next, these are the things which is upcoming. So this is one of the important promising tool which is especially for writing. So let us explore one by one. First, I am going to click copywriting. So in this copywriting, you can see different AI templates. So in this AI templates, you can see so content expander, content shortener, grammar corrector, translate to perfect English. So this is the one we have to need for our perfect research article preparation. So many of us are struggling to write grammatically correct sentences. So you will be having a better concept, but the way you have to project through the language is very, very important. So you can use this translate to perfect English. So next one is paraphraser, review responder. Next, write a reply. So next, email subject line, email. Next, related with this particular social media platforms, Instagram's captions, YouTube titles, etc. So next one, you can see title generator, article outline. So essay, summarize for a second grader, write a poem. So festivity letters, company vision, freestyle. So these are the different options you can use this for your writing. So you first we will check that is content expander. So we'll give an input. So I am going to copy and paste a common technical content. So what I am going to do is I am going to paste here. Number of copies I am going to give one only. So if you want more number of copies, you can add up to 1, 2, 3 like that you can add. So I am going to click generate. So it will telling that it can take up to 1 minute. Let us wait how it will generate, how much time within it will generate content. Here you can see a detailed version of this content is generated. So before going to understand this one, first you have to check what I have given. So I have given about the basic of a neural network. You can see a multi-layer perceptron comprises input layer, concealed layer, output layer. Multiple hidden layers can be present in a MLP network, giving it computational and processing capacity to generate networks output. Figure 1 illustrates, and so like that I am going just an introduction of the particular neural network. So see here how the content is expanded very big. So you can make use of this to write a expanded content. So it will be very useful for you. See, like that you can make use of this writing option to use any of this to make your research article writing very easily. So you can see these are the important things we have to watch out for our research article preparation. So next one what we are going to discuss is that chat with AI. So I am going to click chat with AI. So here I am going to ask explain, generate a thesis outline for the topic grid connected solar PV system for electric vehicle charging station. So like that I am going to give enter. So let us see how this chat box will works out, and it will generate content for that particular prompt we have given. So it will take some time, so you have to wait and watch out for. So here our content is generated. So here you can see introduction, background information on the growing popularity of electric vehicles, the need for grid connected solar PV system for EV charging station. Next, thesis statement, the implementation of grid connected solar PV system for EV charging station can significantly reduce carbon emissions, enhance energy supply and sustainability. Next, you can see benefits of grid connected PV system, technical aspects of grid connected PV system, case studies, policy and regulatory framework, economic viability and cost benefit analysis, challenges and future directions, conclusion. So this is a fantastic outline which is generated for the input prompt we have given. The topic we have given is grid connected solar PV system for electric vehicle charging station. So thereby you can make use it as a your chatbot, and you can use this Krater AI as your chatbot also. Next, image generation. So here you can give a detailed image prompt. So here you can give, that is your detailed image prompt. What I am going to do, generate the schematic representation of a solar power plant. So like that I am going to give number of images as to size of the images. So let us see how it will generate images for us. So schematic representation of a solar power plant I have given. So here you can see it will take up to 2 minutes, it is telling, but image is started to generated. So here you can see the image is generated, but it is not in English, it is in the language is different. So you cannot use the image as it is in this Krater AI, it has to develop. So just you can use this copy and copywriting and chat with AI, and also you can use text to voice converter, speech to text converter. Next, AI content director. So you can make use of this option in Krater AI, and you can make this your research article writing very easier. So these are the plans for your Krater AI. So 10 generations per month, $0, that is you can use it for free. So next, for that is 1000 generations, $28, and for 10,000 generations, $287. So if you are interested in, you go for a subscription option. So go on and explore Krater AI and make your article writing very easier. So hope this video will be very helpful for you. Thank you for watching our videos. Have a nice day. Thank you.